Reduction formula. We use reduction formulas to simplify trigonometry expressions. In grade 11, you know the exact values for acute angles 30, 45, and 60 degrees. For example, sin 30 degrees is 1 over 2, cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2, sin 45 degrees is root 2 over 2, and so forth. While we know the trig ratios of acute angles, what about sin 150 degrees, cos 210 degrees, and tan 240 degrees? That is where reduction formulas comes in. We use reduction formulas to simplify trig expressions that have big angles. I am going to use a Cartesian plane to explain everything. Let us start here. All trigonometric ratios are positive in the first quadrant. Sine, cosine, and tangent are positive in the first quadrant, okay? Only sine is positive in the second quadrant, meaning cos and tangent are negative in the second quadrant. Only tangent is positive in the third quadrant, meaning sine and cos are negative in the third quadrant. And only cosine is positive in the fourth quadrant, meaning sine and tangent are negative in the fourth quadrant. These are the basics that you must know by heart. In this video, we're gonna use 180 degrees and 360 degrees to reduce the big angles. Look, in the first quadrant we have 360 degrees plus x, given that x is an acute angle. When we add 360 plus any acute angle, the angle that we're gonna find is going to be in the first quadrant. That is why we have 360 degrees plus x in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, we have 180 degrees minus x. When you minus any acute angle from 180 degrees, the angle that you're gonna find will be in the second quadrant. For example, 180 degrees minus 50 is 130. That is in the second quadrant. 180 degrees minus 30 degrees is 150, and that is in the second quadrant, and so forth. In the third quadrant, we have 180 degrees plus x. In the fourth quadrant, we have 360 degrees minus x. Now let us look at these examples. What is sine 150 degrees? The angle that we have is 150 degrees. 150 is between 90 and 180 degrees, so it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, we have 180 degrees minus x. Remember, x is an acute angle. To ace this question, we must find x. How do we find x? We're gonna equate 180 degrees minus x and 150 degrees. X is equals to 30 degrees. So we have sine 30 degrees, and we know that sine 30 degrees is 1 over 2. The answer is positive since sine is positive in the second quadrant. Another example, we have cos 210 degrees. The angle that we have is 210 degrees. 210 is between 180 and 270. So 210, it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, we have 180 degrees plus x. So let us find x. We're gonna equate 180 degrees plus x and 210 degrees. Our x is equals to 30 degrees. Since we are dealing with cos, we write cos 30 degrees. 30 degrees is a special angle. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. Remember, we are dealing with the third quadrant. Since cos is negative in the third quadrant, our answer is going to be negative. So our answer is negative root 3 over 2. What about tan 315 degrees? 315 is between 270 and 360. So we are going to deal with the fourth quadrant. What we know is that tan is negative in the fourth quadrant. So we expect our answer to be negative. In the fourth quadrant, we have 360 degrees minus x. To find x, we're gonna equate 360 degrees minus x and 315 degrees. X is equals to 45. we have tan 45, and we know that tan 45 is equals to 1. Since tan is negative in the fourth quadrant, our answer is going to be negative 1.